Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this phyllo recipe. I saw it going viral on TikTok and I'm quite familiar with this recipe, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So first I'm starting out with some phyllo pastry. You can sometimes find this frozen in the supermarkets. If it is, make sure you thaw it out in good enough time. Then I'm taking each sheet and crinkling it together, and I keep on doing this until I have used all of the sheets. So then I baked this for 10 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Then I melt the butter so that when the phyllo comes out of the oven after 10 minutes, I can then add the melted butter on top and place it back in the oven. Place this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to be making the custard with milk, eggs, vanilla extract and some sugar. Give this all a really good mix, and then once it has been fully incorporated, we can add the custard onto that phyllo and place back in the oven for another 15 minutes or until it's golden. So then in a pan I add my sugar, water, some lemon juice, and I create my sugar syrup. Simmer for 8 minutes and then it should thicken up once it cools down. Take the phyllo out of the oven and pour over that sugar syrup. Sprinkle over some pistachio nuts, or you can use any nuts of choice. Nuts in the UK are very expensive at the moment, I'm not sure why, so you can use them sparingly. And if you feel like adding in some decoration, you can use some edible rosebuds. And that's all you have to do for this recipe. The top layer is super crisp, as you can see. It was very flaky when I pushed down with my spatula. And the bottom was super moist, similar to other Middle Eastern recipes. I hope you enjoyed this super easy recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!